Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to read and delete and find the OBD2 port on your Suzuki Swift. Open your car and go down to the bottom of the driver's seat, and there it is, the OBD2 port. There are you able to plug in your OBD2 device. Nice. Oh yeah. Now, next step. Turn the ignition on. Do not start your car, or you are able to start your car, of course, but you do not have to start your car. Only switch it to position 2. And then start or push enter to read the failure and the service identification of your Suzuki Swift. And now you are able to read and delete failures and codes and some other devices inside of the electronic parts of your Suzuki Swift. So that it is easy as you can see. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.